So narrative-wise, there's techniques to reveal a kind of self-reflection analysis of the main character's thoughts. I mean, that's why I brought up the therapist with Michael. That was a really powerful, interesting thing to do in the video game. Like, I don't think I've seen that. That's such a cool. I mean, there's a Sopranos element there with a therapist.
A little bit, yeah.
I really love an opportunity for a character to just self-reflect through that technique.
But it also changed depending what you'd done.
Yes.
So it was sort of slightly, it wasn't as interactive as it could be, but it was slightly interactive or slightly responsive to what you'd done. So I felt it was still valid video game content because it was living up to a point. And I just thought the character, Dr. Friedlander, was just funny because he was awful. So it was like LA, you're in therapy, it's very LA, but it's also very LA, he wants to write a book and betray you, which felt like a good twist. And he felt like a Grand Theft Auto therapist, but just like the idea of making the player in a game, and games are intrinsically kind of physical. And, you know, you walk, you punch things, you run around, you drive cars, you shoot people, whatever. There's these kind of physical fantasies. Trying to put them into a slightly more reflective or metaphysical state for a moment, I think can be really fun.